Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by sorting and checking garments so the wash works, not fights. Once sorted, check pockets, zippers, and care labels to prevent damage. This saves time and repairs. Load items evenly around the drum, leaving roughly 1/3 empty so agitation and rinsing work properly. Make sure delicates are in a mesh bag and heavy towels are separate. This balances the load and ensures even cleaning. Now you're ready to select settings and add detergent, which we'll cover next. You now pick the right cycle and inputs so the machine cleans without harm. Select the cycle that matches fabric and soil level. Delicates need gentle action, heavy loads need stronger agitation. Set water temperature, cold for colors, warm or hot for whites and stubborn soils, to protect dyes and remove grime. Measure detergent precisely. Excess causes buildup and poor rinsing. Add softener to the correct compartment and only use bleach when labels allow. Once set, you finish by removing clothes promptly to prevent wrinkles and mildew. Shake and reshape items before moving them to dryer or line. Choose drying method per care labels, low heat for synthetics, medium for cottons, and clean the lint trap between loads to maintain efficiency. If the machine is noisy, won't spin, or won't drain, stop and unplug immediately. Then check the filter and drain hose for obstructions and rebalance the load. If problems persist, contact service. Regular cleaning prevents most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.